Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic of lecture is about speed and its types. Now consider we have two objects, object 1 and object 2, which are racing with each other. Now as you can see that after certain time object 1 reach to its destiny before object 2. It means that object 1 is moving faster than object 2. Now speed shows actually in this way the motion between two objects. Now we are going to define it. Actually speed is the product of two quantities, one is distance and the other one is time. So speed can be defined as distance traveled by an object divided by total time taken by covering that specific distance. Now unit of speed is known as meter per second, which is the system international unit of speed, as well as we can also use kilometers per hour as unit of speed. Other than that, we use miles per hour as well. Speed is actually the rectilinear motion of an object. A rectilinear motion we have discussed in our previous lecture is that type of motion which is along straight line. Now for example, we have a blue car which is moving from point A to point B, and after reaching point B it covers for 20-meter distance in 30 seconds. Putting these values of distance and time in the formula of speed, we get 14 meter per second. Now here the question arises, does speed in that whole interval of path is constant or not? By constant speed we mean that in every 1 second the car completes 14-meter distance. Is that correct for every interval or not? The answer is no, it is not correct, because speed is not constant in such case. Here we are going to discuss special type of speed. This is known as average speed. The speed in such case where a blue car reached its destiny from point A will be known as average speed of blue car. We are going to explain this concept. Average speed is actually that type of speed in which total distance is completed by an object divided by total time taken. Similarly, in second case we have a yellow car which is moving from point A to B. We have fixed three different positions. One is known as T1, other is known as T2, and the third one is known as T3. At these three different points we are about to check the speed meter of that car. At T1 speed will be 20 km per hour, at T2 speed is 30 km, similarly at T3 speed is 50 km per hour. Now we are observing the speed at this particular point, which is T2, and speed is 30 km per hour as per reading of car's speed meter. Now what does it mean? It actually tells us at specific point measuring speed of that specific car is known as instantaneous speed, which is a type of speed. It can be defined as speed of a car at that instant of time at specific point or at that instant is known as instantaneous speed.